Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for keeping your home clean and fresh. In today's video, we'll be focusing on one of the most used and cherished pieces of furniture in our homes, the couch. Specifically, we'll be sharing effective methods on how to clean your couch and get those stubborn stains out. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's essential to check the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations for cleaning your specific couch. Different materials and fabrics may require different cleaning methods. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult the manufacturer or a professional cleaner. Don't miss out any tips in this video for the best results, and subscribe to our channel to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Vacuuming. Start by using a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove loose dirt, dust, and debris from your couch. Remember to pay attention to the crevices and corners where crumbs tend to accumulate. This step is crucial as it prepares the couch for the deeper cleaning process. Method 2. Spot cleaning. Let's say you've discovered a fresh stain on your couch. Here's what you can do to tackle it quickly. First, blot the stain gently with a clean cloth or paper towel to absorb any excess liquid. Avoid rubbing, as it can spread the stain further. Next, mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water and apply it to the stained area using a clean cloth. Blot the stain again, this time with the soapy solution, working from the outside in. Continue this process until the stain begins to lift. Method 3. Deep cleaning. For those times when your entire couch needs a thorough cleaning, follow these steps. Start by checking the care label on your couch to determine if it's suitable for water-based cleaning. If it is, mix a small amount of mild detergent or upholstery cleaner with warm water. Using a clean cloth or sponge, gently scrub the couch in a circular motion, working from one section to another. Be sure to avoid oversaturating the fabric, as it can lead to water stains or damage. Once you've covered the entire couch, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any excess detergent or cleaner. Allow the couch to air dry completely before using it again. Method 4. Dealing with specific stains. Here are a few tips for handling common types of stains. For food and beverage stains, like coffee or ketchup, start by blotting the area with a clean cloth. Then, apply a mixture of water and white vinegar, using a clean cloth. Blot the stain until it's gone, and then wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any vinegar residue. For ink stains, try using rubbing alcohol or a specialized ink remover. Apply a small amount to a clean cloth and blot the stain gently until it fades away. For oil and grease stains, sprinkle some baking soda or cornstarch on the affected area to absorb the excess oil. Let it sit for a few minutes, then brush or vacuum it off. Repeat if necessary. Cleaning your couch and removing stains doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right methods and a little bit of patience, you can restore your couch to its former glory. Remember, always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of your couch before applying it to the entire piece. And if you're unsure or dealing with a particularly stubborn stain, don't hesitate to seek professional help. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful cleaning tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and happy couch cleaning. Remember, a clean couch leads to a comfortable and inviting living space. Until next time, take care and stay clean.